Your competitors are getting loads of free traffic from Google. I'm Dan Jones, and today I'm going to teach you how you can steal it for free. The first step is to identify the competitors that are doing well in Google. Do a Google search for your service followed by your county. Scroll through the results and copy all the websites listed on the first page into a notepad file. Ignore results like Check a Trade and Trust a Trader as they won't help with this project. Next, head over to Ubersuggest and paste in one of the domain names you collected. Change the country filter drop down to your country and click search. Next, click on the keywords menu item under Traffic Analyzer. That will bring back the 10 most popular keywords the website's getting traffic from. Have a look through them and find the keywords relevant to your business. When you find a relevant keyword, make sure it's getting enough searches per month to make it worth your while. Then click on the orange arrow icon to take a look at Google's results for that keyword. On the right, you'll see a list of web pages that rank for that keyword. Click on the link icon next to each website to open the websites in a new tab. Close any business directory or homepage as that will not help with this project. You'll now be left with around 2 to 5 websites that are getting free traffic from Google for your desired keyword. Take a look through their on-page SEO and pay close attention to the title tag, H1 tag, URL, keyword density and word count. Also look for other commonalities such as image file names, videos, maps and schema markup. Don't spend too long on this, the priority is speed. Get a rough average and put together a landing page similar to what they're doing. Bonus tip: when creating your page, include a clear call to action above the scroll. That way you'll convert more of your visitors into customers. You next want to internally link your new page from other relevant pages on your website. This helps Google understand the page is important and worth considering for the keyword. Finally, get the ball rolling as fast as possible by indexing your page in the Google Search Console. You can expect to see your page indexed in just a few minutes, and you may start ranking in just a few weeks depending on the difficulty of the keyword. The best part about this strategy is it's completely scalable. Repeat this process with every website you found in the first step until you've dominated your industry. The more time you put in, the better results you'll get. I'm Dan Jones, the owner of On Top Marketing. If you need help with your marketing, contact my agency today. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more bonus tips, and I'll see you in the next one.